All right. How's it going? I'm here to showcase the AI features that we added this week to ChatGenius. To start off, we are open to the assistant direct message panel right now. I've asked it a few questions and then asked it about Gauntlet AI and doesn't quite have the correct context. So let's go ahead and try to upload the Gauntlet AI handbook. This might take a minute as it chunks and embeds in the Pinecone vector database. Um, but what it's doing is generating summary for the document for the purpose of summary lookup. And then if a summary is found when the retrieval happens, we look at the actual chunks for additional context. So once this uploads, then I'll also make sure here. Oh, looks like it finished quickly. So if I ask it, how will Gauntlet AI help me? Again, it should have additional context on Gauntlet AI from the handbook. Um, Give it a minute to. Still trying to improve the performance, but here we go. Yeah, so the document we just uploaded, it references the exact page it found and improves the message quite a bit. So that's the assistant feature. We also have personas. So if you wanted to direct message someone offline, let's say Elon Musk, he had a successful launch yesterday. Um, we will get a response what they bought um, that matches their persona. So got a pretty quick response from Elon. We can also, let's say, talk to Joe and let's see if we get a message matching Joe's persona. And so what it's doing is retrieving similar messages that we've seeded in the database that currently exist in that channels. Um, and generating a message with Joe's and Elon's persona. And just to really nail it home, how about we talk to Taylor? Cool. So we're getting emojis and energetic messages. So that's the persona feature. Um, Now let's go into uh, a specific channel and let's ask the AI to summarize this channel. Let's take a look at what it does. So in addition to having the direct message feature using summary lookup on documents, we have personas and we also have channel summarization. Um, so in the politics channel, uh, we got a summary. Looks like we're getting, might have asked it for too many summaries in this, so the vectorized uh, index of politics might be messing up a little bit. How about we try in climate action? Things to investigate, but we can see that the summary was working pretty well here. So cool. Uh, we got a summary, and we can also just call it anywhere. Doesn't necessarily have to be asking for a summary. So we have full workspace access to the assistant, and cool. So we reviewed DM, persona matching, documents, calling channels. There's one last feature. It's still experimental, but you can ask it to call specific numbers. So I'll give myself a call. Let's say you're in the middle of a meeting and really wanted takeout. You can call your favorite takeout spot. In this case, it's just going to be my number and um, add your order. So let's see if I get a call here. Call failed. The most recent one about 2 minutes ago. So go ahead and try again. See if we get a. Uh, Sometimes it just blocks it. So oh, cool. So I'm not sure if you heard that, but got the call on my phone. And if we look at this call log, we should see it was completed. Cool. Uh, One more thing just to show off our vector database. We can see that the document we uploaded does in fact show up. If we query for it and we see Gauntlet AI and the document summary.